How do I reset our r96v Rheem Prestige furnace? I have a code 30 flashing, power to thermostats, but blowers are not coming on.
The error code 30 indicates an electrical short has occurred. You most likely have a blown fuse in the furnace. You will need to determine where short is, as replacing fuse will likely result in another fuse blowing. See picture below for fuse location on furnace control board http://i.imgur.com/1eco1z.png.
I will not be able to look at it tomorrow morning. It's possible something shorted while we were installing Nest. I have since decided to put my original thermostat back and rewired everything to original wiring. Perhaps replacing fuse will fix it? Are you available for questions tomorrow?
Absolutely. If you had thermostat wires disconnected at any time without turning power off to furnace, most likely two wires touched and shorted, blowing the little auto-type fuse on control board. If this is the case and thermostat is wired properly, replacing the fuse should solve your problem. Looking over my questions today, I see you have not replied or left rating. I was wondering if you still need help with this. I am here if you need further assistance.
Fuse worked blowers are on for about the past hour. However, I am not feeling much warmth being distributed yet. Not sure if it takes a while for the system to get warm again, or something else.
If furnace is on and no more flash codes, let's give it a bit to see if it warms up.
Temperature back to normal. Thanks, Tim.
Thanks for letting me help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.